Hello students, in this video lecture, we will discuss find the MGF mean and variance of uniform distribution. So before we derive this result, let us recollect what is uniform distribution. The uniform distribution is nothing but f of x equal to 1 by b minus a less than x less than b, otherwise f of x equal to 0. And also we recollect the moment generating function of continuous random variable capital X is mx of t equal to expected value of e power tx, that is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity e power tx into f of x dx. So using moment generating function formula along with uniform distribution, we are going to find moment generating function mean and variance of uniform distribution. Okay, solution. What is given? Uniform distribution is given. Okay, uniform distribution. What is uniform distribution? That is nothing but f of x equal to what? 1 by b minus a, limit varies from a less than x less than b. Otherwise, f of x equal to 0. Okay. So here, what is A and B? A and B are called the parameter of this distribution. Okay. So what step number one? What is step number one? We are going to find moment generating function of a uniform random variable capital X. Okay. So here this distribution is called what? Continuous distribution. So first we write what is continuous random, what is moment generating function for continuous? That is nothing but what? Mx of t, that is equal to expected value of e power t capital X, that is equal to what? Minus infinity to plus infinity e power t x into f of x into dx. Okay, we know f of x is nothing but probability density function of uniform distribution. Okay, substitute here, that is equal to integration e power t x into what is f of x value? 1 by b minus a into dx. Limit varies from x equal to what? A to b. So here 1 by b minus a is constant. Okay, so here what is function? X is function, right? So we take 1 by b minus a outside from this integral, we get 1 by b minus a into a to b e power t x into dx. So we know that how to integrate this. We know that integration of e power ax dx equal to what? E power ax by a plus some constant c, right? So here, what is a value? A value is t. So using this formula, so we can write this 1 by b minus a into integration of t dx by t, limit varies from a to b. What is next step? Substitute wherever x equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. So we can write this 1 by b minus a into e power bt by t minus lower limit. What is lower limit? A. So e power at by t. Okay. So in denominator t is common, right? So we can write this what? So in denominator t is common, right? If we take LCM, we get 1 by b minus a into e power bt minus e power at by t. Okay, so if t greater than 0, why? Because if you substitute t equal to 0, you get what? We get 0. What is one? Anything by 0, that is equal to infinity. Okay, so this is called what? Moment generating function of a uniform distribution. Okay, that is nothing but mx of t equal to 1 by b minus a into e power bt minus e power at by t. T varies from greater than 0. Okay, strictly greater than 0. Otherwise, we get what? Undefined form. Okay. So what is step number 2? In step number 2, we are going to find what? Mean value. So we know that what is mean formula here? Mean, it is denoted by mu, that is equal to expected value of capital X, that is equal to what? Minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x into dx. Okay. Substitute, we know what is f of x value. F of x is nothing but what? Uniform distribution, right? Substitute here. So we get what? Integration x into what is f of x value? 1 by b minus a into dx. There is from x equal to a to b. So here 1 by b minus a is constant. Take outside 1 by b minus a into integration a to b x into dx. Okay, how to integrate this? We know formula. What is integration of x power n into dx? That is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus some constant c. Okay, so here what is n value? Is 1. So using this formula, we get 1 by b minus a into x square by 2, limit varies from a to b. Now substitute wherever x equal to upper limit minus lower limit, we get b minus a into b square by 2 minus a square by 2. Okay, so we can write this. So we can write this one. That is denominator 2 is common. We can write this 1 by 2 into b minus a into b square minus a square. We know that what is a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so here we consider a value is b, b value is a. So we get 1 by 2 into b minus a into what? B minus a into b plus a. So b minus a are getting cancelled. We get, so we get b plus a by 2. This is okay. This is called what? Mean value. Mean is, it is denoted by mu. That is equal to what? Expected value of x. Therefore, mu equal to b plus a by 2. Okay. What is step number 3? To find the variance of x. Okay. So what is variance of x formula? We know that variance of x equal to expected value of x, expected value of x whole square. Okay. So expected value of x whole square. Okay, you consider this is equation number 1. So now we know what is e of x is nothing but in value we know. We don't know what is e of x square. Okay, so first I am going to what is e of x square value. Okay, once we find e of x square value, then substitute e of x square my into and e of x in equation 1. We get what? Variance of x value. Okay, so what is e of x square term? That is nothing but integration minus infinity to plus infinity x square into f of x into dx. Okay, substitute f of x value here. What is f of x value? That is nothing but what? Given uniform distribution. So integration x square into 1 by b minus a into dx. Okay, limit varies from a to b. So here 1 by b minus a is constant. Take outside b minus a, integration a to b x square into dx. So again we are using x power n formula. What is integration of x power n? N plus 1 by n plus 1. So here n value is, so we get 1 by b minus a, integration of x power 3 by 3, limit varies from a to b. Okay, so now we substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, so wherever x, substitute x equal to upper limit, that is nothing but b minus a. So here 3 is constant, so take outside from this equation. We get 1 by 3 into b minus a. Substitute upper limit, that is b cube minus a cube. Okay, we know one formula. What is a cube minus b cube? We can write this a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, substitute here. So replace a equal to b equal to a. We get 1 by 3 into b minus a. So into what? B minus a into b cube, sorry, b square plus ab plus a square. If you multiply these two terms, again we get value. Okay, so here b minus a are getting cancelled. So we get e of x square equal to what? B square plus ab plus a square by 3. Okay, substitute e of x square value and e of x value in equation 1. So we get from equation 1, that is nothing but variance of x equal to e of x square. What is e of x square? B square plus ab plus a square by 3 minus what is e of x value? That is nothing but b plus a by 2 whole square. Okay, so here now if we simplify these two terms, how to simplify this? That is nothing but b square plus ab plus a square by 3 here. A plus b plus a whole square. We know a plus b whole square formula. Using a plus b whole square formula, I am going to write numerator term is b square plus 2ab plus a square by 2 square is nothing but 4. Okay. So now we take LCM. What is LCM number? That is 12. So we get 4 into b square plus ab plus a square minus 3 into b square plus 2ab plus a square. Okay. If you simplify this, we get what? Variance of x value. Okay. So how to simplify this? You multiply 4 into this term minus 3 into this term. So we get 4b square plus 4ab plus 4a square minus 3b square minus 6ab minus 3a square. Okay. By what? 12. Okay. Now you simplify this, we get variance of x value. Okay. So that is nothing but here we have 4b square is there minus 3b square is there. So subtracting these two, we get what? B square. Same here 4ab is there minus 6ab is there. So subtracting these two, we get what? Minus 2ab and what? 4a square minus 3a square, we get only a square. Okay, by 12. We can write this. That is nothing but what? B minus a whole square by a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, therefore variance of x equal to what? B minus a whole square by 12. Okay, so therefore hence what is a moment generating function of a uniform distribution? That is nothing but 1 by b minus a into e power bt minus e power at by what? T. Okay. What is mean value? Mean is nothing but mu equal to b by 2. What is a variance value? That is nothing but sigma square equal to what? B minus a whole square by 12. Okay. What is standard deviation of a uniform distribution? That is nothing but standard deviation. It is denoted by sigma. That is equal to square root of variance of x. What is variance? B minus a whole square by 12. Okay. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.